How to unhide Facebook post from timeline? Follow this guide. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner. After that, tap on the settings icon located at the top right of the menu. Now scroll down until you reach your activity section. Then click on Activity Log. Here, tap the down arrow beside your Facebook activity to expand the available option. Then again click on the down arrow beside the post. Under this section, select Post Hidden from Profile. This will show you a list of all the posts you have previously hidden. Now find the post you want to unhide and tap on the three dot icon next to it. Finally, from the menu that appears, select Add to Profile. This action will restore the post to your timeline, and that's it. Your selected post is now visible again on your Facebook timeline.